Hey y'all, welcome to the Commodore Grill. This is Debbie Champion Songwriter Night, and this is the early showcase, so please help us welcome to the stage Mark Noble.
I get up every morning before the sun comes shining down. Just a little wheel that makes this big old world spin around. I got to keep pushing. Got me a wife and a family. Wasn't too long ago I crossed the big 5-0. Feeling less like a hero, looking more like a couch potato. I knew it was time to stand up and face myself like a man. Yes, I looked deep inside and I came up with a new plan. Stand up like a man or woman, it ain't hard to do. Look deep inside, create yourself anew. There's really only one person that'll try to bring you down. You see him in the mirror whenever Mr. Doubt's been hanging around. Don't worry about winning, you just can't lose. Rewrite your story, make yourself some front page news. We are in beautiful Nashville, and if you're here because of the country music, you might have ventured down to Music Row, 16th Avenue. Yeah? That's where everybody comes that are musicians coming into town trying to find something. This is one of my country songs. I'm from Detroit, so I don't sound country, okay? So forgive that part of it. Saw my daddy and his daddy before. Breaking the backs to raise a bushel of corn. Might not be the sharpest tool in the shed. I had a different song playing in my head. I'd rather get my blisters picking this guitar than busting my ass on that damned old farm. Yeah. Tough road, a tough road to hoe. Tough road. Flew in the Music City on a great doll bus with neon dreams and a couple $100. People say he's crazy, man, but I wasn't scared. They're gonna hear my songs and say, sign right here. But those record label people didn't like my hits, so I'm busking on Broadway, singing for tips. It's a tough road to hoe, tough road. Day after day, singing these songs, hope with somebody wants to sing along. Walking these streets, I'm putting on a show. 16th Avenue's a tough road to hoe, tough road. Tough road to hoe. I was barely walking in the light when I first felt his hand. He said, come with me, man, child, I'll take you to the promised land. I was feeling kind of guilty about all the things I'd done. He just smiled at me and said, come on, boy, don't you know that you're my son? Yeah. Now, child of God, that's what I am. Christ poured his blood on me and he made me brand new and whole again. Don't know why he called me. One thing I know for sure, that wherever I'll be through eternity, God is sure to go. Yeah, yeah. This is called A Hole in My Heart. I walked away from the things that caused me pain. I gave away a piece of my soul, get myself free. Those are decisions that I can't take back. I can't let go. Just when I know she's in the past, she walks through my door. The loving and fighting and the blaming that tore us apart, that kept the flames hot, and the pushing and the pulling and the tugging till we couldn't see, we couldn't stop. There's a hole in my heart. There's a hole in my heart. Love leads me on. Now the days seem like moments in a life that only I'll ever know. And the unknown, it surrounds me. Still I have 1,000 miles to go. I still have 1,000 miles to go. In my heart I am crying, in my soul I'm denying all the things I know I should have done. Oh, this loneliness has got me, and the loss of you, it haunts me. I still hear the call, leads me on. Oh, this loneliness has got me, the loss of you, it haunts me. I still hear the call, leads me on. One of the great things about Nashville, there's a million writers we can hang out with. They're awesome. I had Jenny Johnson over the house, and we were playing for about an hour, and we didn't get anything. And I said, hey, you got like this old lick that you've got that you can't make a song with? And she goes, yeah. I go, play it for me. And she went. And I went, oh, wait. To the water, wash my soul clean. Broke down at the edge, begging for sympathies. I've done things I can't take back. Life is cruel with those hard facts, but I'm ready, I could change. It won't happen overnight. It's a struggle and a fight, but I'm ready now. It's time to change. This song's called That's Love. Anybody know Bonnie Raitt? Could you get this song to her for me? Will it come to you like it came to me? Like a 2x4 knocked me to my knees? Will it warm your heart? Will it chill your soul? Will it drive you mad cause you lose all control? It can come to you when you least expect. It can change your mind and make you a total wreck. But when love comes, it's a wondrous game. You learn to win or you learn to walk away. But when love comes, you got to go all in. Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again. Play it again, yeah. That's love. today I'm searching for a sign. If I don't get a song picked up, I'm gonna lose my mind. I know there's got to be a better way. At least that's what I ask for.